Roe v. Wade was, of course, overturned Friday morning, sparking protests across the country and some here in the Piedmont Triad. Calls to revisit landmark LGBTQ cases have generated now quite a bit of discussion, but how likely is that really? Ford Hatchett has our report.
In the fallout of the Supreme Court's decision to overturn Roe v. Wade, a notable opinion from Justice Clarence Thomas has caught the attention of many in the LGBTQ community. Thomas wrote that he thinks the court should revisit Obergefell v. Hodges and Lawrence v. Texas, leaving some in the community very worried. The 2003 Lawrence decision legalizes same-sex intimacy in a person's home, while Obergefell legalized same-sex marriage in 2015.
So all of the constitutional jurisprudence at the Supreme Court recognizing LGBTQ rights has been since 1996.
That recency has left some unsurprised by attempts to revisit the landmark cases.
I think many of us in the LGBTQ community expected there to be some kind of fight in our future. I think that the way this was positioned after overturning Roe v. Wade sets a dangerous precedent.
But Wake Law professor Marie Emily George says Thomas's opinion breaks with other conservatives on the court.
And in fact, the majority opinion is really clear in saying we are just addressing abortion.
Those reassurances do little to comfort those worried about their own rights.
If you're downplaying whether or not the courts and lawmakers in general are going to come after marriage equality, we thought they wouldn't come after Roe v. Wade. We thought this was impossible.
Nationwide support for same-sex marriage is up to a new record high of 71%, according to a Gallup poll released earlier this month, making a Supreme Court reversal a long shot, according to George.
And they might, decide that things tip in one side or another when the country is really divided. But what is very rare is to see a decision where the court is doing something that is so opposite to such a clear majority.
Here in Greensboro tonight at 6:30, Alternative Resources of the Triad is hosting a Pride March to remember, commemorating the 53rd anniversary of the Stonewall riots in New York City. In Greensboro, Ford Hatchett, WXAI 12 News.